In this lesson, we will learn the use of selection tools in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So, let's take a look the use of selection tool in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. To show you the use of these selection tools, I have to import some video clips, and I'm selecting this file menu, and from there I'm selecting this import option. Here is some files. I want to add 2 video clips. Here is the beautiful kids video files, and then I want to add another video file. Here is Z3 video files. These are MP4 files, and I'm selecting this Z3 video file along with this beautiful kids video file, and I'm selecting open option. Here we go. You can take a look that 2 files is imported to our project, and I want to add these 2 files in our project timeline. So I want to add this beautiful kids video file to our V1, I mean video track 1. I'm putting this in here, and after that I want to put this Z3 video file in here, in this area, and it will be in video 1 track. And you can take a look, this beautiful kids video file is a small video clip. It's near around 22 seconds clip. Let me play this video file, and you can see the duration in here. It's only 22 seconds, and I want to add this Z3 video file after this beautiful kids. I'm adding this Z3 video file, and let me play this file. Here is the Z3 video files. So we have now 2 video files in our project timeline, and here is the selection tool. In Adobe Premiere Pro, the default tools are selected as the selection tools, so you don't need to pick the selection tools. But if you use any other tools like ripple edit tools or razor tools, then you have to use these selection tools for bringing back your selection tools. By selection tools, you can select any of object in your video timeline. I'm selecting this Z3, and I'm selecting now beautiful kids video file. Or if you want to select this both at all, just you have to press the control button from your keyboard, and then just you have to select with all. And here is how we will use these selection tools. But the interesting thing is selection tools contains with trim function. That means you can take a look my mouse cursor. When I'm putting my mouse cursor in the middle of any video clip, it's remain with selection tools, but when I am putting my mouse cursor between these 2 clips, it's changing, and it's the icon of trim option. Suppose I don't want to keep this beautiful kids video for 22 seconds, and I want to decrease the duration of this video, and I want to make it with 15 seconds. So as I want to decrease the length of this first video clip, then I just have to put my mouse cursor between these 2 video clip, and you can take a look, my selection tools is now in trim function. So you just have to hold left button on your keyboard, and you have to move the area or duration you want to take, and I'm putting this video in 15 seconds. Here is the seconds frame here, and let me play this video file. Here is the duration. I'm playing this video file. You can take a look now that our first video clip is decreased with 15 seconds only. So this is how you will use the trim function with the selection tools. Or if you want to bring it back the duration or length of your video in previous mode, then you just need to place your mouse cursor in here, and you just have to drag and pull the area where you want to keep your video duration, and here we go that our duration of our video is now increased. So let me play this video and you can take a look the duration over here. I'm playing. So now our video is in previous mode. So this is the way how you will increase or decrease the area or length of any video size, or if you want to move any video in video bar tool, then you just have to press and move it up. Or if you want to move this video in video 3 bar, then you just have to hold this video and you have to just move in video 3 bar. So this is how you can use the selection tools, or you can use these selection tools for your audio stream also. I'm removing this audio from the audio 1 bar, and I want to move this audio 1 track into audio 3. Then you just have to drag and drop in the area where you want to put. Or if you want to move the video file, then just you have to use these selection tools and you have to move the area where you want to place your video files or audio files in Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is how you will use the selection tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.